Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to check your Windows laptop details. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do in your Windows PC is to come down below right here where you have your Windows Start menu right here. So right click on it, and this is going to pop up here. Make sure you go to settings, and it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to system. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you simply scroll down right here and then click on about. Then here we go. You have all your system information right here. So you can see the device name, the processor, the RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, and more features about the product right here. You can click on copy right here to copy the product detail. It's that simple. Then you can also scroll down right here and check on the type of window you run and see if your window has been in full up to date. For more tutorial about Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.